Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ngayon puntahan naman natin yung Georgina model dito po sa Antel Grand Village. And then actually po this Georgina model has a lot area of 224 square meter and a floor area of 180.81. So it has 3 bedrooms, car garage, and then 3 toilet and bath. Okay, so ito yung bahay natin. Wow, look at that picture. Come on, look at this. Okay, so this house guys is for sale na po. So ang lot area mo hanggang dito pa po siya guys sa pinakamuhon. Ayan po, look at this. Ito yung property survey natin. Ayan yung pinakamuhon hanggang doon. So may space ka pa ditong mga 2 meters no, sa gilid. Then look at that. Ang ganda ng bahay mo. And then, ayan ang kapitbahay mo. Ayan. Si Ma'am Thatcher. Yan. Kliyente ko. Anyway. So welcome to Georgina model. So look at your steps. Ito guys. For sale na siya. Pero bago mo po ito. Bago namin ito turn over yung unit. So re-refurbish natin to siya guys. As new. Pero hindi po ito natirahan. Kasi this house is our model unit. Ayan. Okay, pasok tayo. Come on. Wow. Look at this. Ganda. Sara natin. Okay, so welcome to Georgina model. So look at that. So this house is with the lot area of 224 and then with a floor area of 180.81. Then this is your living area. Look at that. Then you have a space for your office. Ito po sa likod. Wow. Nice ng bahay guys. Look at this. And then wow. Okay, then look at that. Wow. Ang ganda ng bahay. Look, then dito po sa likod, meron kang lanay area. Look at that. Yung lote nyo po is hanggang pader pa. So, mga 3.5 meters pa po. Yan siya. Mataas pa po. Malaki pa po. Then, this is your kitchen area. Look at your kitchen. Your dining area. Yan. Then, you have that powder room sa ibaba. Actually, guys, napakaganda ng bahay. And this is your kitchen area. Wow. Then, look at your ceiling and then the cabinets. See? Okay guys, so actually this house is livable na siya. So ito yung pinaka floor plan niya po, Georgina model. Ang minimum lot area nito of 192. And then this is the specs. Ayan siya guys. Okay po. And then everything inside the house is kasama na kapag binili po itong unit na to. Then, check natin po dito sa gilid. Sa labas yung inyo pong service area. Medyo masikip talaga. Ha? Okay, later na lang guys. No? Later na guys. Okay guys. Akitin natin. Look at your stairway. Ang ganda. Look at this. Tsaka ang lalapad po ng ating plank. Yung plank po. Ayan. Ayan guys. Look at that. Wow, para kang nasa hotel. With a floor area of 180.87. Ayan guys. Look. So you have this area, study area. And then sa itaas, meron ka isang common toilet and bath. This one guys. Ayan siya. Ayan, ganda. Then this is your one room. dalawang bed. Kasha ang king size. Then look at that cabinet. Okay. Tingnan natin naman yung second room. This is the second room. Look at this. Wow. So, dilipatan mo na lang siya po. Then, malalaki din ang mga bintana niya. Then, check natin yung pinaka-balcony niya po dito sa likod. Wow. Very fresco. Wow. Then, ayan na guys yung ating paligid ng Antal Grand Village. Look at that. Para ka nasa Tagaytay Highlands. But alam niyo po, ayun po, nakikita niyo po ba yung mga tower ng Manila? Actually po, very accessible tayo guys. Ayun po, nakikita niyo po. Nasa Manila area na tayo. Look at that. Ayun oh. Nakikita niyo po ba? Yung mga building sa Makati, Mandaluyong, ayan po, nakikita niyo na po. So, this area talaga po guys is napakalapit lang siya sa Manila area. Check natin po yung master's bedroom. Master's bedroom. Ang ganda, ang linis. Ang ganda talaga pag puti. Then 2 color lang sa bahay. Ang ganda. Look at that. This one is the master's bedroom. The intimidating master's bedroom. Wow. Look at this. Ayan guys, para kang prinsesa at saka prinsipe dito. So binibenta na po itong bahay na to, including all the furnitures. Then you have this balcony. Ayan, okay po. Napakadami na pong nakatira dito sa Antal Grand Village. And then almost sold out na po yung property natin. At tingnan natin po yung toilet and bath. Wow, look at this. Malaki din siya guys. Ayan. And then you have this sliding wardrobe. Oh, ang laki. Ang dami kang mailalagay. And then all in na po ito guys. Kung ano po nakikita nyo, ito na po yung ating ibinebenta na ready for occupancy unit, Georgina model. Okay. Pa tayo. Actually guys, si Ate Lani may-ari dito guys. Yeah. Thank you Ate Lani. Okay, baba tayo. So, ang ganda po ng inyong chandelier. No? Okay, at saka ang luwag ng ating hagdanan. Para kang nasa spiral. Okay? Ayan, no? Ganda. Okay, so bababa tayo. Then, look at your ground floor. Wow. Look at this. Ayan. Okay guys, and salamat po sa inyo pong pagsunod hanggang dito po sa video na to. So this ready for occupancy unit is now for sale, including all the furnitures. And then una-unahan lang po, ang maganda dito guys is this area is this house po is located in a corner lot which is malapit ka sa guardhouse and then facing ka sa water fountain. And then kung gusto niyo po makita po ito ng actual, so message lang po kayo sa akin at 0927-472-4976. So this house is available sa installment, cash term, and deferred payment. Deferred payment, you can purchase this unit and 30 months to pay, almost 3 years, no interest. And also we have bank financing and then special term. Okay, so once again, my name is Ray Miliara, Division Manager dito po sa Antal Grand Village and Anyana. Thank you so much guys and see you po dito sa next video natin. Thank you, God bless.